Well, while I was doing something important, my online scheduler scheduled a job for me, and it's in my dashboard in my Internet G inspection software program. And it's giving me a lot of indications to pay attention to what's going on here because it needs some information in order to make it a scheduled job. There's a couple pieces of information missing. So let's take a look at the pending tab. So when a job comes in, and it's missing maybe an inspector assignment, or it's missing the time, or the address, or something is missing, it's going to go into pending. The dashboard is going to get your attention, and then you focus on finishing this up. So what do? You take a look at it there, and it looks like, oh, no inspector was assigned for this mold inspection. So I click Manage the Job. I'm going to manage the job details, and I get to the job details, and I can pick in my calendar an inspector. I'm going to pick myself, and anytime I want. So what if it's Monday? See this little dot here? Let me get fancy on you. See this little dot in the calendar? That means something was already scheduled. So it'll tell me what's available. So it looks like I'm doing a home inspection in the morning, so I can do this mold inspection sometime in the afternoon. Here's a date it's all green. So this is a date that's completely open on my calendar. I can do this. This is a half-hour job. My day ends at 5 o'clock, so I can schedule it at 4:30. There's another, oh, I have bookings. What kind of bookings do I have? Well, in the middle of the morning there, I have maybe a task I'm doing. So this is a dynamic kind of scheduler where you don't have to guess whether there's going to be a conflict or not. This scheduler will allow you to see what is open and what is not. For any list of inspectors, you can have 10 inspectors on this side. It will figure out where that opening is in your calendar so you can book a job. So let's take a big open day. That'll be on the 3rd. And let's go, let's do a little bit at 11 o'clock. And it'll schedule that for me. Over here, I don't have a whole lot of information, right? Well, you can add that information as you get it. And here's the property type. Maybe it's a condo, and the year it was built. Maybe it was just recently built. And the square footage, maybe it's only 1,200 square feet. And I don't know the bedrooms or the bathrooms. It really doesn't matter. But it's vacant. So that's enough information. That's what I got. Or maybe I actually have a picture of the front of the house, right? So that'd be kind of interesting. And we can pull that off of the internet, or maybe someone sent it to you. So let's pick a picture here. Let's just pick something out of one of my old jobs here and put it in the report. Okay. So that's under details. There's contacts. I can put more information in the contacts. There's the services. And there could be a service that I could add. I could add any other service I want. There's distance and travel. I can maybe charge more for crawl space or the age of the house, things like that. So let's save that. And then that's services and fees, which is all customizable. There's documents I could upload along with this report. And here's where I can build the report. I can preview it. I can change the template. I mark it complete. But there is the button that I go in order to do the mold inspection. So this is my mold inspection. I have a few systems that I have to inspect, and it's going to tell me my progress. So that is what a job that comes in using my online scheduler looks like. But it's still giving me an indication. Oh, I forgot to approve it. So I did all the details. I'm ready to write the report. Approve. Now it's scheduled. And there it is. There's my home inspection. It's scheduled for February 3rd at 11 o'clock. There's February 3rd, 11 o'clock. It's a half an hour. It's in New York, so it's going to take 4... It's a long drive from Raleigh to New York to do this mold inspection. And I could open it up in Google Maps or Apple Maps. So that's what it looks like on your dashboard when you have an incoming pending job that needs your attention, needs an inspector assigned or a date and a time or some other information, it goes right into your pending tab. And then you finish that information and it goes into your scheduled job slot here. And you're ready to write the report by clicking the report, and you're going to build that report.